Most people starting YouTube in 2025 won't make it, not because they are not talented, but because they fail to understand one simple thing, which is actually going to really make them grow fast. So now the question is starting a YouTube channel in 2025 really worth it? This is the simple truth. Now, to be honest with you, starting up a YouTube channel in 2025 is still worth it. Yes, but only if you approach it the right way. And I'm going to be listing out some steps for you to actually follow in order for you to be able to get it right and grow really fast here on YouTube. So one of the reasons why you should still do YouTube, or why you should consider starting up a YouTube channel in 2025, is people are still blowing up from scratch. Like on YouTube here, I've come across a lot of small channels that literally started before my eyes, and in less than 30 days, in less than 2 months, they are already able to monetize their channel and start earning reasonable amounts. And what makes them different, or what they actually did, is being able to niche down. What I mean is being able to select a particular niche, then try your best to check out what is working out in that niche. Now, after being able to discover what is working out in that niche, what you simply need to go ahead and do is to start uploading content. Try your best to be consistent, and in no time you'll just see yourself at the top. There is this particular channel that I used to use as a reference in most of my video. This channel is barely 1 month here on YouTube, and in less than 28 days the channel got monetized. Like, it's really good as a YouTuber for you to niche down, for you to be able to understand who your core audience are. Now, once you've been able to understand that, what you need to do is to deliver your content based on your audience interest. So if you're coming up to YouTube here, forget about what you love, forget about what you really want to post, because you are not just feeding yourself, you are feeding thousands of people. You have to try your best to understand this logic, and believe me when I say, if you're able to understand this particular thing, then growing here is going to be really fast for you. So the number two reason why you should consider starting up a YouTube channel in 2025 is the algorithm is still working for small creators. That is one good thing I love about YouTube. YouTube don't just push videos maybe because you have 20,000 subscribers or you have 1 million subscribers. The YouTube algorithm is literally pushing out small channels. That is why if you're scrolling on YouTube homepage, you'll be seeing channels with 5 subscribers. You will see them on your homepage. You'll be seeing channels with 10 subscribers, channel with 1k subscribers. You will definitely be seeing them on your homepage. And how does this actually work? Now, one thing about this YouTube is, if your video is able to capture people, that is, people see your video and they don't skip, they don't scroll, like once they come across your video, they click it and they are watching it. That is, if you're able to get an engaging video, you will see that the algorithm will keep pushing your video to much more larger audience. This is simply how YouTube is. And by doing it this way, you'll be able to realize that the YouTube algorithm will keep on pushing your video. Now, come to think of it, how is it possible that a channel that just come up here on YouTube in less than 1 month will just get monetized? This is to tell you that the algorithm is not being partial. In fact, it even pushes smaller channels more than the way it pushed the bigger channel. Why? Is because they feel that those smaller channels need much more audience, and my lifestyle channel is a living witness. You all can see that this channel is just barely 2 months, and these are the kind of views I'm getting on my lifestyle channel. This is to tell you that once you're able to understand what works, and was able to bring out engaging video, the algorithm is going to work in your favor. Now, the third reason is, you can't just do YouTube anymore casually. Like, gone are the days whereby you come up here, you post today, you go off, you come back next month, you post again, you go off, you post maybe on Monday, and the next time you post again is in 2 weeks time. If you're planning on starting up a YouTube channel and this is your mindset, and this is your agenda, drop it one side, because the YouTube system now is very competitive. If you feel, oh, I have 5k subscribers, I have 4,000 subscribers, baby girl, just try your best to exit from YouTube. That is, leave YouTube for like 2 months and come back. Those your almighty 5K subscribers, those your almighty 6K subscribers, they are going to move on. You see, this statement "move on" is very, very common on this YouTube. And if you're out there saying, oh, maybe this girl is talking too much, go ahead and make your research and watch videos and ask channels that took this particular decision how far. The minute you decide to be inconsistent with your YouTube upload, the minute you decide to stop dishing out value, you decide to take a break, every single thing here will move on. Even the YouTube algorithm itself will start to forget you little by little. And you notice that the minute you're back again to start from where you stop, it will be very, very difficult, because the whole thing will be looking new. Why? Because people will not really be seeing your video all that relevant. It only takes grace, and sometimes it only takes somebody with a larger audience, that is a larger community, to be able to like overcome this. So don't do YouTube like the way you do YouTube 5, 6, 7 years back. No, this is 2025. Every single day. In fact, from the YouTube recent update, it was said that over 10 billion people upload videos here daily. Imagine, out of 10 billion people. So who are you? I think this is a chance, or this is me indirectly telling you that there is no dull moment here. As long as you've come to stay. And one sweet thing, or one sweet part of this whole thing, is that it's worth it, because at the end you're going to make a living out of it. So the fourth reason why you need to start up a YouTube channel in 2025, and for you to be able to grow up really fast, is you have to try your best to focus on one thing. No matter what you want to do on your niche on this YouTube, no matter your heart desire, try your best to focus on one thing. Now, if you say, okay, princess, on my channel, I want to post how to cook, I want to post vlogging, I want to post my daily activities, there is a general niche for it, which is choosing lifestyle. Don't open a YouTube tutorial channel. That is, you want to be strictly telling us how to get more views, how to get more subscribers, and tomorrow I'm seeing you posting spend a day with me. You're simply not just confusing the algorithm, but also confusing your audience. That is why it takes some channels months, some channels years, like to like actually monetize and start earning well. You have to try your best to pick out one particular thing. If you feel I am multi-talented, what happens to creating 3 channels? What happens to creating 2 channels? That is why you see these bigger channels succeeding. Why? Is because if you watch them, you will see that they have channels strictly for YouTube growth, they have channel for lifestyle, they have channel for their travel and tour. So you have to try your best to pick up one particular thing and stick to it. This way you'll be able to grow really, really fast here on YouTube and get monetized and start earning the cash. So don't come up here and confuse your core audience, and also confuse the algorithm itself. Now you can decide to have a lifestyle channel, and once in a while you bring out videos like, okay, how to get 1,000 subscribers. You won't do it that way. You will like put the title in a way like how I was able to get my first 1,000 subscribers. That way, anybody watching this will know that, okay, this is a lifestyle channel, and she just simply sharing her maybe opinion, or like her maybe achievements. So don't make that mistake of having a cooking channel, and in that same channel you're teaching us YouTube growth. Don't make that mistake, okay? So the fifth reason why you should start a YouTube channel in 2025, and how you can be able to grow really fast here, is your first 10 videos won't be perfect, but you know what? Post it anyways. I think this is one of the most reason why a lot of people have been delaying in starting up their YouTube channel, because they're thinking, okay, who is going to watch me? How will the video be? How will they look at it? Oh, they're going to laugh at me. Oh, my hair is messy. Oh, I don't have a mic yet. Oh, my camera is not good. When I started posting here, like for those of you that started watching me, the first camera that I was using is my iPhone 6. I never had a microphone. Like it was just my phone. I didn't even have tripod stand. In fact, this video that you all are watching me from currently, it's not, my phone is not on any tripod stand. Though I know I have it now, but currently I just placed it on somewhere. Yes, on somewhere close to my window, and I'm shooting this video. So don't just wait till everything is perfect before you start up your YouTube channel. If you want to be doing that, or if you say that is how you want it, you will see that from now to the next 2 3 months you will start that channel. One thing you have to be at the back of your mind is that your first 2 videos might not be perfect, your first 10 itself will not be perfect, but that doesn't mean that other videos coming out from you are not going to be mind-blowing. I can remember each time I go back to watch my first ever long form video here. Shame, like shame used to catch me because of the way I was shaking, how I was always looking up to like get my point, how lost I was. But here I am today, just 7 months in, and this is all what I've been able to achieve. Like being on YouTube here is a blessing. YouTube is, I think, one of the best social media platform to like actually be in, because you are going to grow. It's just like you growing daily. This is how YouTube is. That is why it's actually hard. But at the end of the day, it's worth it. And believe me when I say it's going to be the best decision that you ever make. So now back to the main question. Is starting a YouTube channel in 2025 still worth it? Yes, it's worth it. Like it's worth it 1 million times. But only if you're ready to treat it like a real life opportunity, not some experiments. Because one thing is, you have to come up here, you have to pick a niche, you have to be consistent, you have to think of your audience, you have to be able to feed your audience with the right information, with the right video. You have to be at alert to always know when something is trending on your niche and hop on it straight without hesitating, without thinking twice. You have to be sharp, you have to be smart. That is how all these channels you see that get monetized in less than 2 months, in less than a month, that is how they are able to like come up and get monetized, and now they're earning really really well. Unlike me, it took me 6 months to monetize this my channel, but all the way we are still here. And I really thank God for my growth so far, because aside the earning aspect, that is being able to like earn from the YouTube partnership program, I've gotten a lot of opportunities that I didn't even imagine in my life. I've met some people that I don't even imagine that I will ever come across their path. So this is to tell you that starting up a YouTube channel in 2025 is the best thing that can literally ever happen to you. So this video is getting too long, and I hope I've been able to like remove that fear from your mind and answer the most biggest question in your mind right now. If it's still worth it, it's still worth it. So thank you so much for watching to this extent, and go down to the comment section and let me know if you are still thinking about starting it. Maybe you need a direct push for you to set up that camera and start up something. So thank you so much for watching once again, and most importantly, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and drop me your thoughts in the comment section, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.